everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are exploring the fascinating world of homeopathy and shining a spotlight on a homeopathic medicine which is derived from the nature. So, yes, we are talking about Aloe. This homeopathic medicine has a rich history and a range of applications. So, if you are curious about natural healing, this video is definitely for you. So, watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. So, let's dive into the wonders of Aloe Scotrina. So, let's discover Aloe Scotrina. So, homeopathic medicine aloe is prepared from the gum of the leaves of the plant, which is common aloes, which belongs to the family Liliaceae. The gums of leaves of this plant is potentized as per the homeopathic formula that extracts and intensifies its medicinal properties. And after going through the potentization process, it becomes a highly valuable homeopathic medicine that is Aloe Socotrina. It is a leading homeopathic medicine for managing the complaints of piles, or you can say hemorrhoids and diarrhea, especially loose stool. Now, next, we'll talk about the constitution of aloe. So, aloe scotorina suits elderly people who are weak and suffers from diarrhea and abdominal pain. It is also well recommended for the person who have been drinking beer for a long time. Next, we'll talk about the drug action. So, this medicine has a significant action on the rectum. It is suitable to manage complaints occurring from portal congestion, that is, rise of the blood pressure in the portal venous system that includes vein coming from your stomach, pancreas, spleen, intestine, which merge into the portal vein that branches in a small vessels and travels to the liver. It acts well on the veins of the abdomen, and its action in liver, pelvis, large intestine is also well marked. And beside these, aloe acts well on the back, head, urinary system, skin, and male and female genitals. Now, next, we'll talk about the clinical indications of aloe. So, this medicine is successfully used for piles, diarrhea, proctitis, anal fistula, colitis, that is, inflammation of the large intestine, anal fistula, anal itching, cholera, fecal incontinence, abdominal pain, gas, bloating, backache, headache, skin itching, enlarged prostate, and involuntary urination, uterine prolapse. So, in order to make it understandable to you, now I will explain each and every indication in an elaborated manner so that you can understand it very well. So, let's talk about the scope of scope of Aloe as a homeopathic medicine. So, first and the foremost use of Aloe is for rectum complaints like piles, loose motion, fistula, inflammation of the rectum, and large intestine. So, Aloe has a wide applications on the rectum. It can effectively settle numerous complaints, including piles, diarrhea, proctitis means rectal inflammation, colitis means inflammation of the large intestine, anal fistula, anal itching, prolapse of the rectum, cholera, and fecal incontinence. It has shown great clinical improvement in cases of piles. Here it works best for protruding type of hemorrhoids or piles, which refers to the internal piles that protrude outside the anus. They are blue in color and appear like a bunch of grapes and are very sore and tender to touch along with heat. So applying cold water may be soothing. A person may also feel a sharp pain in the anus and a rectum due to piles. The burning sensation is also felt along with pain. A constant bearing down pain in the rectum is a prominent symptom that can be attended. Though majorly used for protruding pile, it also has an affinity to treat piles that bleed excessively and quite frequently. This medicine is also effective in treating diarrhea cases. In such cases, there is a watery, lumpy stool and sudden urge to pass stool soon after eating or drinking. The urge to pass stool may remain constant, and sometimes there is a urge to pass stool, but only gas passes. In some cases, stool is bright yellow, thin, mushy, with undigested food particles in it. There is a feeling of fullness in the pelvis. Person may feel cramping like of pain in the abdomen before and during passing stool. So, with loose stool, excessive gas, rectal pain, rectal heaviness, burning in the rectum, and chilliness can occur. Illuscotorina. Illuscotorina can also be administered to the people who are suffering from early morning diarrhea, where person has to rush out of the bed to pass stool. And use of this medicine is also recommended when there is a blood and mucus, like jelly-like lumps with stool. Other peculiar indications for using it are diarrhea that occurs from drinking beer and in hot temperature. This medicine is successfully used for the cases of inflammation of the rectum, colitis, and its use is suggested for anal fistula and rectal prolapse. Now, next we'll talk about the next use we have is gastric complaints, gastric issues like pain in the abdomen, gas, and bloating. So, Aloe has a marked action on the gastric system. It is beneficial for abdominal pain which gets better by passing gas. It also helps in cases of navel pain which get worse by putting pressure. There is excessive gas, bloating, heaviness, fullness in the abdomen. So, Aloe can be used to relieve abdomen pain which is felt before and during stool. It works wonder to elevate twisting, gripping type of pain in the abdomen with a desire to sit in bend forward position. So, and other indications for using it are burping that can be sore, bitter, or tasteless, along with nausea with headaches. Next use of Aloe is for liver complaints. So, Aloe can rectify certain liver issues also. This medicine can be prescribed for managing liver pains. The pain aggravate while standing and deep breathing. Pain can be sharp or stitching type, which may extend from the liver to the chest sometime. There is a pain, dull, fullness, heat, and pressure in the liver. There is jaundice with the heaviness in the liver. The tongue is coated, and there is a foul breath. Next use of aloe is for back problems, especially lower back pain. So, Aloe Socotrina is of great help in managing lower back pain in the lumbar region during movement. A characteristic feature to use it in is back pain which alternate with headaches and piles. This medicine can also settles pain or heaviness which is felt in the sacral region when person feels pain while sitting and feels better while walking. The next use of aloe is for headaches. So Aloe is also known to have effect on head, where its foremost action is to manage headaches. In most cases needing it, the pain is felt across the forehead along with heaviness in and around the eyes. A person may also feel nausea along with headache. There is a worsening of the pain from heat, while it gets relieved by cold applications and closing the eyes. Headaches alternate with back pain or pain in the intestine are also some other symptoms requiring it. The next use of aloe scotorina is for skin complaints like itching and pimples. So, aloe is a wonderful solution to some skin complaints like itching that occurs in winters. Is a classical symptom indicating its use. It covers itching of the leg well. On scratching, it becomes painful and sensitive, and it is a wonderful medicine for treating pimples. Now, next use of the Aloe is for urinary symptoms. So, Aloe is highly recommended for the persons who have to rush to the pass urine and it cannot be retained. There is a burning sensation while urinating, and it is beneficial for cases of the involuntary passage of the urine in elderly people who suffers from an enlarged prostate gland. The next use of Aloe is for male problems like enlarged prostate, involuntary erections, itching of the prepuce. So, this medicine can manage enlarged prostate along with involuntary urine passage. And other problems it can address are premature ejaculations, itching of the prepuce, increased sexual desire, and erections after urinating. The next use of aloe is for female problems like prolapse of the uterus and early menses. So for the females, it is prescribed for managing uterine prolapse. For managing uterine prolapse, there is a heaviness in the uterine region and pelvis, weakness, labor-like pain in the back, and growing radiating to the legs. There may occur colic, which is followed by vaginal discharge of the bloody mucus. It can also be used for managing complaints of the early, prolonged, and copious menses. So these are the various uses where Aloe can be used successfully. Now next we'll talk about the doses. So Aloe works well in both low and high potencies. The potency is selected individually in every case. In low potency like 30 Ch, it can be repeated frequently. But when used in high potencies, the repetitions should be done with care under the supervision of a homeopathic physician. So that's all. In conclusion, I want to say that Aloe is a very versatile homeopathic medicine which is derived from the healing properties of aloe plant. Whether addressing gastrointestinal issues, skin conditions, or joint pain, this medicine offers a natural and holistic approach to healing. If you find this video informative and valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of homeopathy and natural healing. Now, thank you so much for joining me today as we explore the wonders of homeopathic medicine, Aloe Socotrina. So take care, and until next. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from any of the health issues, then you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen, you can see how to contact us. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.